And I may take no busa question. Mate, we have busa. Opeja say ba.
Me dey ya ma say the yam ba ne be. Me so manyini.
Tentena wa. Wellington.
By also Lilwin, what I say.
There's a Wellington and Lilwin. So you be ma Lilwin movie ban out here ya. Yeah, far. Obeti me bibi am say yes, ampa wa Sunyani ampa.
Azonto ghost.
Asana osaya na. And I'm freestyle me Azonto ghost no. Hey. Call real love, real support.
Your friend Paulino, Obi at UK, Canada, US, or Germany, or Ireland, or Netherlands, or Italy, or Spain. That's all fan the phone say. When you sue Lemfi or phone, so I don't know where you are. I'm sure they tell where you are. Lemfi now they send this guy, enter her a 0. I rate to be a best and be a Lemfi enter her. Now, any just a woman say, and now hear me video. Say, your first time now download the Lemfi, a good smartphone. So, Lemfi, a better 5% cashback. Unim, so we use Paulino promo code. That is POLEENO. Lemfi, so no rate no, and switch all the other apps. Into my catch or so you see Lemfi, they are delete all the other apps. Send the become mobile money. And that's what me send a bank account. So wherever you find yourself, be a make sure it's a Paulino. So what countries are mobile boss now? Download the Lemfi. Now you should never send this car. A bebo ye send it. Miso Abuameno. Download the Lemfi or App Store. And I say,
all right, see crowd. When we are talking of crowd, this is what we call crowd. Sunyani for us, where a part 2 for no, part 1 for the anymore. Thousands of people and are storming the streets of Sunyani for Ibrahim Traore movie premiere. Oh my God. Crowd of power. If you see the dear Chilebano say, or for the whole street, one street, hey Ibrahim Traore. Way part 1, part 2, part 1 for so. Oh, any more I know them papa. We part 1 for an corner. And a part 2 for no Sunyani. Crowd and I know them in the principal streets of Sunyani. Wow, what a float! Me you say float we be Sunyani hada. But who not Sunyani we be asida.
Me ba cho da bi ABC da. David.
My float Sunyani ya mu ni pa say da.
Enye easy. Ya fa che so me rampa. Omo do bi ma lewe en okura pa. Because she don't party ka kura ko.
Part 1 are not day.
Wow. Therefore, I but so a dear friend made a God no say watching. But dear to do an animal rock.
The rock no. What's Charlie Yamko to us. So I had the front view of the whole float. The front view of the float. Hey. You can see. It's all fun. Crowd now not day. This is what we call real love. Real support. This is what we call real love. This is what we call real support for Wheezy Empire. Ibrahim Traore. We nip among with the Chileba Crown. Another where part 1 of the float, the front view, Sunyani Principal Street. Ibrahim Traore, massive crowd, uncountable crowd, undisputed crowd, unexpected crowd, unprecedented crowd, right here in Sunyani. Another day. What a crowd for Kojo Kansalawin. The love is deep. Ibrahim Traore said, "If I win about float, about premiere in India." And I think they take it in the class. Part 2 for us also. Part 2 for no. You see the part 2. Almost also the dear Chebano. Another massive crowd. Me person me tisi na me busa Sunyani for said. In the history of floating in Sunyani, omo hu nipa bi say. E wo float mo Sunyani dana. Market for nyina say so. In the marketplaces, Pragia for TV Nyajuma, taxi for TV Nyajuma. Koyo Kasalawen on heat. Where a free performance. Or they mind the streets of Sunyani. Oh my God. I wish you are here to witness this historical event. I wish you are here to experience this historical move happening right here in Sunyani. Koyo Kasalawen. Ibrahim Traore movie premiere float. Oh my God, oh my God. Now make I just say the float, you know. And no man about float, and no man. And the float, and no man baby. Who won't bet some fly in the air? Ni na mo hu no ha say. Mo be woni na bi e wa ha ene. That's right. It's crazy. Oh, yes, Sunyani. Crowd no anu adema. Ye nya ba bia mpo ye camera mpo enyina. Very, very massive attendance. Koyon kan Lilwin on the dancing move. You free move. Hey, you free move. Hey, you free move. Hey, you free move. Hey, you free move. You free move. Hey, you free move. Hey, you free move. That's right. That's right. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Aye. Aye. All right. Pilato G. Champion Pilato. Hey, Pilato. Wow. Any girls living in come on, Akakra. You must have girls living. Mamma Munya Mumra.
Papa J, you Kumase. But the support here near with you. If you have anyone, if you Kumase by hand,
Sunyani for Nankasa. The Sunyani girls Nankasa. Now you know more. I 1 on 2, 1 on 2. All right. Moti Sunyani haya. Float to be say BSC wahada. My float many papa say that.
Dabio.
I'm so yo. I'm so yeah. My float to Sunyani ama monye nipa do say bi da.
Dabio dey abroso.
Dey
annoy.
Sa we dey ajimo sa.
Agensa. Yakọ float yakọ aba we dey annoy dem pa. Ipa do ma ba. Say dey obi ehu a. Yeah, blur reason to be a one who appear in fear and cramping for no meaning about. They are not ending. Single was on one other baby and Cosso.
Fantastic process.
Kobe.
But I'm sharp. Kobe no. So, you said you are buying any more, Ankasa. You are buying any more. Now, oh, share squad, no bicycle for display, motor for display. I know a day, papa. I know a day. Hey, fan boys. Fantastic. Now, flow to be said, the one who was Sunyani. The whole year. President Crab, Munyani said, flow to area, boss. Abroso.
Why you call me a new apple? Call me a new and never be crying. The horse and Johnny are getting now.
And you remember body here, more balance of float to Nintina, but you remember movie. Wow, so when we uncle, now you're ready, El Coso, El Hase. Go away. Lilwin is having the best of his time. So far as celebrityship in Ghana is concerned, he's really having the best of his time. Oh my God.
Easy, baby. Giddy pa, giddy.
Floating at Jamonsa.
I'm doing a job, yeah,
Easy, baby.
Giddy pa. You will be sad. You will be sad. Man, read yourself.
What's up? Wow. Hey. Oh my God. For the love of the game. Aye, for the love of the game. For the love of the game. We are trying to make you feel everything possible right here. You remember wow. T-shirt in the channel bum said, and I had T-shirt in the channel bum. Now I had was such a T-shirt in the and I had now I know they. Wow, this is real love. Real love. Wabre. That's the loud actually. Yeah, Chamo, answer the process.
Exhibit in the senior man.
Exhibit.
Yeah, man.
So I see you, Anna.
Pashani was.
Now, somebody are students, some tie float back Sunyani apa. This particular float, you know, then is so exceptional. I say, money a jabro so.
Oh, a float in the end, I need to say mega answer. And I SRC and I Lilwin so be premier and move is be a hotel. And I do double do my cabo my float in TV. I come up.
Float in the history of Sunyani, Monshada, who be that.
Oh, yeah, who be street carnival, big change saying the
float tank, as I when a float tank, so be sure I float, you know. Sad numbers way, who will be.
Me pastor and ya who be several times in the because of Sunyani.
All right, exhibit. I see you. Yeah, that was a pa. My mom was offering a buy. Sunyani magazine.
I try.
And I also buy a so when your T-shirt be a share.
I try.
I want to take it.
I try to be it.
I was also to be now, banana.
I'm metal.
All right. Well, fine boy, Wizzy. That's the song, one of the songs that made Kojon Kansa with Lilwin very popular in Ghana. That movie, Big Boy Wizzy, a song performed by Bisa Kede. One of the songs that made Bisa Kede a hit in Ghana. One of the soundtracks that made Bisa Kede who he is today. I don't think Kojon Kansa way back say Bisa Kede then because the songs were soundtracks are popular. Big boy Wizzy, fan boy Wizzy. Oh yeah, and a big boy Wizzy, big boy Wizzy, fan boy Wizzy. Oh yeah, and a big boy Wizzy. One time, Kojon Kansa went one of the soundtracks that made him a poster boy in the Ghana movie industry, playing on the background. Big boy Wizzy. MC'd by DJ Texas. Lilwin hype man, DJ Texas. Oh yeah, me back. I train him in the MC business. DJ Texas. One of the best MCs we have in Ghana right now. DJ Texas. Oh yeah, me big boy Wizzy. Fun boy Wizzy. Oh yeah, me big boy Wizzy. Big boy. Word. Yes, dropping all the songs that made Kojon Kansa away, the one who is he. Yeah. Papa. Utame, Usrebe, Umame. Big boy Wizzy. Fun boy Wizzy.
Miami, big boy Wizzy.
Papa Joe. What a time. Boy Wizzy. Yes, very popular song. And everybody is singing to this particular song. It tells you. Big boy Wizzy, fun boy Wizzy. I am a big boy Wizzy, fun boy Wizzy. Big boy Wizzy. Big boy Wizzy. Farm boy Wizzy. Oh yeah, me big boy Wizzy. When the song is nice, we play it twice. Repeating this particular song is a hit song. Very, very inspirational. Very, very inspirational. Very, very inspirational. Ah, what's me? What's me? What's me? Oh yeah, the big boy Wizzy. Fun boy Wizzy. Oh yeah, me big boy Wizzy. Yes, sir. Yes, indeed. Kojoka Lilwin is really an icon. He's really an icon. On his way to legendary, he's doing everything possible, winning the hearts of the movie consumers in Ghana. And this really tells how powerful Kojoka Lilwin is in the Ghana movie industry. Undisputed, undoubtedly. One of the best we have in the industry right now. Kojoka Lilwin. One time. Oh yeah, me big boy Wizzy. Big boy Wizzy. Fun boy Wizzy. I tell you name your chair name no. Why yeah, me big boy Jizzy. What I say, Pop Jizzy. DJ Texas, one of the best MCs we have in Ghana. DJ Texas, one of the SMC. Uba so kadi. Hey,
you want to tell my neighbor?
Oh wow. Nah, oh yeah, big boy. Yeah, it's quite a cost to Sunyani. It's going down in Sunyani. Sunyani, Marcel, one time. Fun boy. Oh yeah, oh big boy Wizzy. Big boy. Wow, another hit song. Dropping this song back to back. Wow, yeah. And you name him too so. Oh, tell me. Oh, Rami. Oh, tell me. Oh, Rami. Oh yeah, oh, big boy Wizzy, fun boy Wizzy, doing it, but trying and oh yeah, me big boy Wizzy, fun boy Wizzy, biggie boy Wizzy, oh yeah, me big boy Wizzy, the gym, Benny Jim, yeah. One time, Kawana, Chawana, Bawana, yeah. Now, oh yeah, me big boy Wizzy, fun boy Jizzy. Why yeah, me big boy Wizzy, big boy Wizzy, fun boy Wizzy. Yeah, we are saying, when you are about to say, obey your case. I am about to say, and now Brassier. One time, Kojoka Lilwin. Big boy Wizzy. Ah, big boy Wizzy. Yeah. Obia. Oh yeah, me big boy Wizzy. Fuck. Oh yeah, me big boy Wizzy. Big boy. Oh yeah, me fun boy. Oh my God. Wow. Yes, sir. And people are really loving this song. They have really fell in love with this song already because it's a hit song. I Ghana already. Oh, draw me. Yeah. Why And I may take no question. Mate, who we have with Hey, Pilato.
Get out of the shop.
Open your back.
But I am as I am, by the way.
What
Make my cup from
Watamo. But why I do?
Oh, Father,
Say, maybe I live with the idea on frail. We are shut up, frail.
but the Godfather, the Godfather on the zone. I was a father of the zone. But I know Mammy, I will be on my yellow wood. Sasa,
Basamo Doso, and your uncle Lela, and it's quite now. I own one of an from my own alba.
oh, la Quatamale.
I don't know, I'm quite there.
I didn't know about it. When I have been good in a quiet. Why not one you know? I have been good.
Or come squad no.
Why are these one?
Don't need a lot of what I tell you,
Yes, sir.
and then I'll catch you with
Reason I'm sure, Papa
Ibrahim Traore so out to have I say. Boko there.
Yamiadumu.
Now one can deep party say.
Make us be part of Wellington, what I say.
Wellington.
By also Lilwin, what I say.
There's a Wellington and Lilwin, there's a boom.
Our boom, pa.
And then I'll try who say, oh, be to sell the winter. My main yammy was selling and pass was an ampa.
Yeah, and the baby car was a Obi was a was a eh, or no more says a Lucy, a hand of a cacan in our boom. We send us out of far. And I just still no go soup him.
Ye be big crab, so ye be Lilwin movie ban our hair. A far, who bet me I be among the yes, and power Sunyani.
I don't to ghost.
I don't know ghost.
I don't know.
I know Sayana. And I'm freestyle here has to go to Yo. No, I was saying the credit account.
Come missing a building Jackson, Coastal, Patricia, Comio. You can come to my niggas that broken.
What shall I say? We say, one can't just say, Massa. Jack concert now, me, my bro, me, who to me, family, who made it one time. And
then you're not a cry from Abba Basso, as my idea. And your video essentially friends. What you post video or repost it. Honestly, post it by any repost it. Last time I cried question or frame your corner to put you on a cast Sunyani. Say this ain't be show.
And more than the boy, shall I say, we say, more than Lilwin
and them one management in baby, I found a management in India. Meeting.
All right. And if it's what picking the style saying, who is a boy? You as a young guy, was it sooner or be a burden a career? We now who didn't announce who's a boy.
Yeah, because I said, how na me, how na me and Pepe, me say, be me who say no man.
What feature the movie man? Watch out, say be a movie boy or no obey a be a tafobi and I be salon
and your bomb is busy by what I say.
So one guy also there now as Junior Lilwin or there now also here on social media no who maybe a man for betting
TikTok when I say Junior Lilwin, YouTube Junior Lilwin. It be I want ya come what I say. School
I say
I'm go school Barkis in high.
Oh Barkis so you Kumasi boy.
Yeah, Basek.
All right. After say obey school no dey pan up so you acting, music, comedy. What do you want to do in future?
And you combine on say acting, the comedy, the music in your combine. Me plan say a baby don't be I come mama, et ma fix bibia. Maybe I come.
Best say bedu maybe no enye Lilwin biom be wa kasa e bia bedu tan be feel say no say me ankasa me pave me am way me ye me amade na me Lilwin brand free me.
And yeah when say akrompa na acting is sanity still na say no beka emfa engineer we dan still na omega say no
okay. All right, Ibrahim Traore Jr. I don't know why there. And the costume we wow shut up pam say we be supporting.
Yeah.
As you can see,
All right.
live in STU.
Huh?